Alright, YouTube, 1280. Well, we're now going to test this smoke detector with instant. This one doesn't talk, and I don't have tape with the horn because, well, I've tried it. It doesn't really help it. This one's a lot louder, in my opinion. It's probably going to scare the shit out of me. There it goes. I don't have anything to put it down in, so we're gonna fan at it. That worked. Do it one more time, just why not? This time, actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get closer, then we're gonna yank its battery out to make it go quicker. So, open it up. Oh look, there's its sensor. This is gonna be easy. And out goes its battery. We'll put that back in a second. Alright, here in a minute. I'll go put this back in here. It's a little messy. Hush, I will get to it. And then see if I can get this one to go off in a timely manner too. Just for the hell of it. Pretty close to the alarm, so I'd hope it would go off. I actually turned my air conditioning off because that wasn't helping the one in my room. So if this one goes off in a timely manner, then that'll be awesome. That would mean I have 2 alarms in one video. Come on. There it goes.
Fire.
Get a little close to it so you can hear it.
Fire.
Okay, gonna do this.
Fire.
Come on.
Fire. Hush mode activated.
There it goes.
Hush mode cancelled.
Put it one more time. Really? Thank you. Anyway, there we go. There's both alarms tested.